here, YouTube friends, it's like around 8 o'clock in the evening, and I have to plant or transfer these cauliflower seedlings here to their final location into these pots, and some of them will be transferred to these polyethylene plastic pot, and we'll be planting cherry tomatoes as well this evening, and cauliflower, and I think we can also plant extra 390 F1 hybrid tomato. We have a lot of seedlings there, and these pots on my left side. There's like showers started to fall, and maybe this will not go heavy, and we continue planting. It will be a time lapse. The hours, the time that you have to devote in your garden, dear YouTube friends, is no joke, but it will be rewarded during the time of the harvest with that feeling of satisfaction and excitement, because you are now getting the fruit of your labors. So here, dear YouTube friends, these are our cauliflower. We planted this last September 4, and today is September 9. And these are also the cherry tomatoes that we planted that evening together with the cauliflower. We already put stake on that, and these cherry tomatoes are all set to start bearing flowers and fruits. And the other location for our cauliflower is right here. Yeah, it's like around 5 days old from the transfer, but this cauliflower seedlings, it's more than 30 days already since from the time that they are seeded on the seed tray to the time of the transfer. And we'll wait for another 60-70 days right here for us to start harvesting their heads. And thank you once again, dear friends, for watching our videos, and I want to see you all in the next episode. See ya.